Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. This is one of my wholesalers. So you have to buy in bundles, which I think makes it easier for you to just buy from me because I can buy the massive amounts and then piece it out to be able to sell to you guys. So we're going to actually look through this. It's a bunch of really cute, fashionable clothes that are Heather approved. So I love every single piece in here. If I could wear every piece in here, I would, but I bought sizes that I couldn't wear specifically so that I would actually resell them. So let's get in here and see what kind of awesome clothes is here. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so just FYI, we're going to sell a lot of these on the fire sale, and they're going to be anywhere from $15 to $20 per ladies top. But I have found lots of plus sizes, which you know in liquidation is virtually impossible. I think I got the bad box cutter, so we're just going to rip into it. All right, so we're going to just pull out these. So this pack, so everything in each bag is the same thing, it's just various different sizes. So if you look real close, this will have 2 extra larges, 2 that are 2XL, and 2 that are 3XL. So let's go ahead and just pull it out of the bag and see what do we get. That's a XL, 2XL, 3XL. So we're just going to hold up the extra large one. Look at how beautiful it is. Brand new, never been worn. This is a long sleeve dress.
That looks nice.
Yeah, so this is an extra large. And like I said, 2 extra larges, 2 2Xs, and 2 3Xs.
We're still trying to figure out some of the pricing of it.
Yeah, but it'll be in $15 or $20 is probably where we're gonna sit in the range.
Does it have a tag on it that says like suggested retail by chance?
No, it doesn't.
No. Okay, I was wondering if it did.
Yeah. Alrighty, so that's that one. So I think we got 8 different designs. So you're gonna see 8 different ones, and we try to get a variety of different colors and styles. Right. If you guys have a favorite that you love, like if I pull out a shirt and you're like, oh, I love that, but I don't like that color, I would buy in a different style. They had many different colors on the website of each style, and so if you didn't like that particular, like let's say that you don't like this color green, so, or you're not a stripe fan or something like that. So this one, we get the same thing. Let me see, we get 2 extra large, 2 2XL, and 2 3XL. Not all the bundles are the same, but most of them are. So here is a tunic top. So this one is the 3XL size, I believe. Yes, this is a 3XL size. But I love this shirt because it's got the cool, fun difference in patterns. And it's a tunic length, which is that longer length. So I kind of gravitate towards those. So that's kind of what I bought. But if you guys want regular waist length ones, just let me know. But most of my clothes always like to draw up after a while. So I like to buy the ones that are tunic length because then they'll always stay fitting. So that's a cool top. Then we have this one. This one is, okay, the only thing it's told me was plus size. So I have no idea. Okay, so do they consider extra large plus size? Do they consider a plus size to be 4X? Do they consider, I have no idea. So we're just going to see, and they're all marked plus size. There's 6 in each bag. So we're going to pull this one out and just see what it kind of looks like size-wise. Okay, so there's more than one here. Okay, so this was a plus size. Was this a dress?
I can't remember right now.
Yeah, I think this was a dress.
It would be a very long top.
Yeah, I think this was a dress. So I'm not sure if I would call that more like it says plus size. I'd call this a large, almost. Large to extra large. Now, the bonus is, so it's meant to be a really tight dress. And so we're just kind of experimenting right now. So I would say this was probably an extra large, but I think they're all going to be about the same size.
They had measurements on the site.
They did. So we'll probably look up the measurements. It's but it's got a lot of give to it. So it's supposed to be a body hugging dress. So it's supposed to be an above the knee body hugging dress. So there's that one. So So that one was kind of the question mark in my order. Now this one, I loved the color of this one. It's a kind of a turquoise. And this one is also a, what sizes are they? It just says 6 pieces. Oh, large, I have 1. And then extra large, I have 2. XXL, I have 2. And then a 3XL, I have 1. So that's a little bit different. So let's figure out, what size is this one? Oh, these are pants. These are yoga pants.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Those
so I think
cool.
these are, okay.
I like the ankles.
Yes, look at the ankles on these. Little bows.
That's clever.
Yeah, so I got, let me see. Okay, I'm confused though. Because look at the sizing. I might have to call them about this one because this is a medium.
Is it really?
Yeah. And this one is a small in here.
Uh-oh, yeah, they sent a wrong package.
Yeah, so this one's a small. This one's a medium. This one's an extra large. This one is a large. And this one's a large. Yeah, they sent the other one. Because there were 2 sets that had small, medium, and large, and extra large. And then they had one that was supposed to be large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL. So we'll have to definitely contact them and let them know. But we'll probably sell these anyway, you know.
Unless they want us to return them.
Unless they want us to return them. So,
yay!
yay! The joys of dealing with. Now you get to see the real stuff that actually happens. So, alrighty.
Want to keep that bag there with that one over there?
Sure. All right. Let me see. We've got color black, size. We've got an extra large, 2 of them, 2XL, 2 of them, and 2 3XLs of this.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll see. So I do see an extra large, so that's promising. Yep, extra large, 2XL, 2XL, 3XL. Yeah, this is the right pack. All right. I don't even remember what this is. It took a little bit to get here, so I'm trying to remember what we all ordered. Oh, this is I loved this top. I absolutely loved this top. Okay, this is a black short sleeve top, but look at the sleeves. The sleeves are kind of a cold shoulder, but with multiple little, see? That's what I loved about this top. See the cool sleeves on it? So, and this is an extra large, so it's not going to be super form-fitting and tight. So, because sometimes I wear an extra large. So this is going to be nice and roomy and have some, it's very, very soft, comfortable. So this is my favorite shirt so far that we've pulled out. Although I do love that turquoise, that greenish striped one. Alrighty. So that one I love. That's on the yay list. All right. Then we have 2XL. This one is same thing. Extra large, 2XL, 3XL, 2 of each. This one, I love the pattern. This one is just super comfortable, if I can get into it. All right, so this one is, let me see if I can find the extra large. Here's the extra large. We'll just pull out the extra large one. So soft, so soft. All right, this one was a dress as well, I believe. Yes. This one was also a pencil dress, skirt kind of dress. So just a straight, comfortable, sleeveless shirt dress.
It's like the coat of many colors.
Coat of many colors, yes.
The
So
dress of
it's got a
many
lot of
colors.
give in it. And the nice thing is when you stretch it, it doesn't distort the colors. Sometimes, sometimes with stuff with a lot of give, it distorts the colors or fades it. It doesn't do that. So we've got a bunch of sizes in those. It's like treasure hunting day. I love it. All right, then we have, this one has 3 extra larges, 2 2XLs, and 1 3XL. So this one's a little bit different package. So you get lots of extra larges and only 1 3XL. So we're going to pull out this one here. Color is charcoal. I think this might have been one of the long sleeve ones I got. Yeah. So This one I loved. Okay, you can't really tell with me holding it up. So let me go ahead and lay it down and show you. Okay, so this one, it's like a high-low hem on it. So this is the front. Do you see? It gathers and crosses over. And then there's a long back on it to cover your bum. So you could wear that with leggings if you wanted, or you could wear it as a tunic top. So I'm not a leggings fan. I don't do leggings, but a lot of people really can pull it off. We got a couple of people at church that do great with leggings. So there's that, and then the back is longer. So this is an awesome top. So I just picked kind of a traditional gray because I figured it went with everything. You know, you pop a color with some necklace or something on it, or wear some fun like bright pink leggings or something like that, and it would look really cute. So there's that one. Like I said, 15 to 20 bucks for each one of these tops. So, and then is this the same thing? This might be the same thing, only in purple. I can't remember. But the same thing, you get 3 extra larges, 2 2XLs, and 1 3XL. So this is the 2XL. So let's go ahead and pull that one open. This might be the exact same shirt in purple because I think I liked it so much. Yeah. So it's the exact same shirt in purple. No, it's a little different. Okay, so this one has the high-low hem, but this one is straight across the bottom with a slit up the side. So this one, see how this is the front panel. And then the back panel.
What size is that shirt?
This one is 2XL. So.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, so it's split on the sides. This would be super cute, wouldn't it? I love this purple one. So, and if you're interested in us getting the smaller sizes, it's just it always comes with a size small, and we have a hard time selling the size small, but we always can sell, oh, that was the last shirt. We can always sell the larger sizes, so that's why we ordered the larger sizes. So, we have this purple one here, so I'm just going to kind of lay out.
Pick your favorite.
Pick your favorite, all right? So, we'll call this one the purple one. So, there's that one. And then we've got the gray one that's similar to the purple one, only it's got that kind of crisscross hem on the front. So there's the gray one, and we're going to overlap them a little bit so that we can fit them all on the table. And then we have my favorite is this cute black one. Let me see if I can get it to lay right with the fun sleeves here like that. And then we have the striped sleeveless dress. Takes me forever to get it situated here. So we got the striped sleeveless dress. And then we have, let me see, what's this one? These are the leggings. Let me pull out here's the leggings. Then we got the leggings that we'll have to check with to see, hey, see those leggings? Look at, they would go perfect with this gray. See? Anyway. Then we have the leggings, which we'll have to check with them because they did send us the wrong sizes. We wanted the larger sizes, but we got the smaller ones, so we'll have to check with that. And then we've got the red dress, the red mini dress, or tank. Either way you can wear it. Then we've got the striped, I don't know, you call that aqua, green, turquoise, I think is what they call it. This top I like because it's kind of an A-line cut. And then, of course, the first one that we pulled out, it's actually a long sleeve burgundy and black. So which one do you like the best? So we've got the purple, the gray, the black, the stripe, the fun leggings, the tank top or mini dress, or the turquoise striped, or the burgundy and black paneled dress. The thing that I love about these, I have a couple of dresses that have these black panels on the side. They always make you look skinnier. All right, anyway, so that is our fun new product that we got. These are replenishable, so if we sell a bunch and you guys love a certain style, please always let us know, and we can always get these again, these exact styles again. So that's why I wanted to buy these. So check out our fire sale. We're going to have lots that are going to be that extra large, 2XL, 3XL sizing, and we'll be able to, show it to you what exactly a 2XL or a 3XL or an extra large looks like. So hopefully it's been fun to watch us unbox from our wholesaler and find all these new things that are going to be brand new, never been worn with tags on them, available on the fire sale. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? where to get my inventory, how to create my first listing, how to sell my items, and then of course I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscriber button. Hit that notification bell so that you see every video that comes out every single day. Also, if you would like to become one of my patrons and support me every month, you get sneak peeks of the fire sale videos, which is always a benefit when shopping on our fire sales. And also, you can support me with various different tiers, starting at $5 all the way up to $100 with perks on every level.